Welcome back, adventurers. Today we are taking a look at how a small group of buildings grows into a large and bustling town and what that means for your world. Come with me. First, a town needs a starting point. This is usually a small group of settlers like those in Jamestown, Virginia, 1607. Selected for its defensible position and navigable waters, Jamestown's early settlers faced daunting challenges. I'm talking about harsh winters, limited food sources, and complex relations with indigenous peoples, which were part of their daily reality. Yet, this settlement persevered, becoming a cornerstone in the history of American colonization. So think about your town and what started it. Why was this spot chosen by dozens as a stopping place and somewhere to settle down? Was it a mineral? Its location, the view. Now, as decades roll on, our town begins to flourish. Trade becomes the lifeblood, much like in ancient Athens. The need for goods literally drives expansion. Ports bustle with ships from distant lands, bringing spices, silks, and most of all, stories. Streets teem with merchants and craftsmen, each contributing to a growing economy. This is where the town undergoes a transformation from survival to prosperity. So what does that mean for you? It's a chance to explore the catalysts for growth in your own world. What resource does your town trade? How does it attract merchants and travelers? These elements aren't just economic, they shape the town's culture and identity. Next, consider the industry. Take Manchester during the Industrial Revolution. A once modest town, it became a hub of textile manufacturing, symbolizing the new industrial age. This brought profound changes, an influx of workers, the rise of new technologies, and the reshaping of the town's landscape and society. Also, there was the child labor and smoggy skies, but hey, it happens. Your town's industry might not be textiles, but whatever it is, it defines a significant era in its history. It's the point where your town is no longer just a settlement, but a player in a larger economic and cultural context. But growth isn't always smooth. Towns face their share of hardships, wars, economic crises, and social upheavals. These challenges test the resilience of the town and its inhabitants. How does your town handle adversity? Does it adapt or does it struggle to hold on to its past? So as your town grows, ask yourself, what is its story of resilience and transformation? How does it adapt to the new challenges of each era? In the end, remember that the history of a town is not just a timeline of events. How it reacts to a changing world is what determines whether it becomes a booming city or it stays a town. And now, quick shoutouts for those of you who have been paying attention for our Displacer kitten, Tobias. Dice Adventures 358 says Tobias needs to be careful, he might burn his whiskers hanging around near the blacksmith. Well, that would be true, except Tobias is a very accomplished blacksmith. Cooper, AATE, or is it 8, says GG, easy. Alright, Cooper, I'll make it more difficult for you next time. I'm watching you. For the rest of you, leave a comment with the timestamp of when you see Tobias in the comments, and you just might be shouted out in the next video. And there you have it, friends, the life story of a town from its humble beginnings to its bustling present. It's a journey of growth, challenges, transformation, and probably really smoggy skies. Thank you so much for watching. For John, my friends, and as always, we'll see you next time, adventurers.